Hi friends, today we are going to learn about a new concept, that is probability. So don't be afraid of the word probability. So one of the most deadliest concept or deadliest chapter in mathematics. So first we have to learn about the definition of the probability. So first we know about what do you mean by probability, or what is meant by probability, or what is probability. So all of these questions, so let me find out in our definition. So what is definition of probability? Probability can be defined as one of the branch in mathematics, which deals with the occurrence of a random event. So I am repeating it again, so listen carefully. Probability is a branch of mathematics which deals with the occurrence of a random event. Here the word probability itself says that possibility or certainty or a chance. So the probability, the range of a probability in between 0 to 1. Here 0 is defined as an impossible event. So there is no chance, or there is no probability, or there is no possibility. So here 1 is defined, there is a chance or there is a probability. So the range of an probability in between 0 to 1. So in our daily life there are lot of examples on depend of probability. So before going to learn, or before going to enter in examples, let us something know about more about probability. So probability is a theory. Simply we can define it as a theory. So it is introduced in 16th century. So in 16th century, game of book, or book of a game, one of the book, in it we have the concept of probability. So in entire world, so we can use coins. So let us know about examples of probability. We have coin. So a coin has two faces. Either one of its side is head, or one of its side is tail. So when we toss a coin, either you get a tail or a head. So the probability of getting a tail or the probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. Here 1 is the favorable outcome and 2 is the total number of outcome. So through this example we can define probability as probability of an event is equal to total number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So in previous example we discussed about coin. So coin has two sides, one side is head, another side is tail. So for getting a tail or for getting a head, we can toss it a coin. So for getting a head or for getting a tail, the probability of a coin for getting a tail or a head 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the probability. So when we go through another example, many of games we have used die. So die has 6 faces. Each face has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 faces in a die. For throwing a die, I want to get 1. So for possibility of getting 1 when we throw a die is 1 by 6. So here 1 is the favorable outcome, that is 1. So for 1 is the favorable outcome and 6 is the total number of outcomes. So according to that, probability can be defined as total number of outcomes in denominator, total number of favorable outcomes in numerator. So one of the most prominent and vast concept in mathematics, probability. So there are many types of probability. So what we have discussed of now is all about the introduction of probability. So I am repeating it again. So the definition of the probability. So Let us prompt with me. Probability can be defined as branch of a mathematics which deals with the occurrence of a random event. So here event is defined as space. That means what actions or what event we have to going to done. So an event, that means previous I have told you two examples about a coin and die. So all or a coin or die, these are two events. So here the event of the range of a probability in between 0 to 1. 1 can be defined as there is a probability, 0 can be defined as an impossible event. So this is about the introduction of the probability.